What's up, big timers? If you like Hot Wheels Bugattis as much as I do, then this video is for you. This is my complete collection of Bugatti Hot Wheels. And we will start it off with all the loose ones that I have. And this is kind of a collection update video. I've done a similar video in the past, but we've got a lot more Bugattis now added to the collection. So let's go ahead and start with these ones. I've got two different castings, the Veyron and the Chiron. I know they do make 1930s Bugattis and Hot Wheels, but let's just stick to the hypercar variations of them. So we've got the Veyrons all down here, the Chirons up here, and then there's one special Chiron down here, which I'll tell you about in a second. But let's go ahead and start with the Veyrons. So this is actually probably my favorite one, which is the Speed Machines variation of the Bugatti Chiron. And this one does have these special wheels on there. It's got the nice tan interior. It's got the gold horseshoe on the front of it. Nice detail, the EB on the back. Great detail all around it. So that's the first one. Speed Machines variation. I've got one new in package I will show you guys in a second, so you can check that out as well. Satin red variation, probably one of the rarest variations of the Bugatti Chiron. This one was, I believe it was available for a limited time at Walmart and some Targets, but it was very hard to find at the time. So it's probably one of the rarest of all of these castings, actually. And then to match that we've got the Satin Blue one. Not as rare, but still hard to find, harder to find than the red and black variation, which you'll see in a second. But there it is, black wheels, chrome lip on it. Great looking casting all around. And next up we've got the silver variation, and there's two different silver variations, one of them with the 10 spokes, one of them with the faster than ever 5 spokes, and this is the 10 spoke one. It's got some kind of like a lighter blue on there. It's like a pearlish blue, but I think silver looks fantastic on the car. It really shows the lines nicely. It's too bad we didn't get some better front light tampos on this one though. There we go. And then this is the silver one with the faster than ever wheels, the 5 spokes in gold, I think looks pretty cool. And there we go from the front end, horseshoe grill as well in the back, and we've got the EB there. Not as much detail as the Speed Machines variation. And then this is probably the most common variation. This is the red and black one, which was in the main lines, and I think it was 2003 if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but it's around there. But this was the most common one, and I have a lot of these ones brand new in package that I've kept as collectibles as well, and I'll show you guys those ones in a second. But there we go, the red and black one. I think it looks fantastic in the red and black. Such a great colored variation of this one. And after that one, we have got the Mystery Machines yellow one. So this one came in, it was, I believe, 2006, 2007 Mystery Machines in the yellow variation. I've got another one of these ones as well. I'll show you guys in a sec, but the gold 10 spoke wheels, tan interior on there. And it does look a little bit unfinished and stuff, but that's actually part of the casting that purposely did that. I'm not really sure why. I would have preferred it to maybe just be all yellow, or maybe just even black inlet like the red one. You can see the black maybe on the front and stuff like that, but that's okay. It's still a pretty cool casting. And then we've got the pearl white one, which was also a Mystery Machines one. And it's got a very light blue, almost light purple. And it's got the silver 10 spoke wheels on there, silver horseshoe grill, white interior. So it's kind of a cool colorway. I like that one. That one's really neat. Put that one back. And then I do have another opened up satin blue one right here as well, just to match that one right there. But there we go, satin blue unopened, or that one's, sorry, opened. I do have an unopened one. I'll show you guys in a second as well. All right, let's move on to the Chirons. We'll start with this one down here. This one is, although it does look like the mainline variation of it, it is not. It is a concept one that pre-production one that they made. So it does come apart. So that kind of comes off. That comes off right here. So you can see there's your kind of window part. We've got the wheels that all come apart, the body piece that comes apart. There we go. So all of that stuff comes apart and it all snaps back together, which I can't do right now because I don't have it on the ground, but there we go. That's kind of what the body looks like. So we get a good idea of what it does look all kind of taken apart, which is pretty cool. So this is kind of cool to collect. So I got that one first. That was the first one that I got. And then I got the blue one, the blue Chiron. And when the Chiron came back, wow, were we excited to see Bugatti back in the lineup. And that's why a lot of people are saying, well, will they bring back the Veyron casting maybe in a different colorway? I hope so. I don't really know, but we hope that one will come in the future. We're not really sure about that. But blue one, I think looks fantastic. I love the horseshoe outline in silver right there. Looks so good. Great front lights. Nice. A little bit of tempo work it's maybe missing for the front lights there. So maybe if we get a premium variation, we might get that. But the grille, it's got some good detail. Got the Bugatti logo there. And on the back of it, looks very, very nice. And the second variation we got was the black one. Actually, I don't know if I think this one came out before the black one, if I'm not mistaken. But it came out around the same time. So there's our next release. So it's a kind of a pearly black. You can see the sparkles in there. It's got some nice wheels on there as well. And then we got the Bugatti logo on the front with the horseshoe grille. I think it looks good in the black. I like the blue personally better, but black still looks pretty good. So hopefully we see some different color, maybe like a white one next time. And this was the newest one that I got. This is the Zamac release, Zamac or Zamac, however you want to say it, of the Bugatti Chiron. So this one is slowly becoming available in store right now. And I can tell you this is going to be a highly collectible one because the Zamac variations, they don't come around very often. They're harder to find castings in the main lines. And so check out your local Walmart and Target. But I can probably assume that scalpers will get a hold of these ones and you'll probably see them on eBay for a lot of money. But there you go. Zamac release of the Bugatti Chiron. Fantastic looking casting. It's kind of got like the red highlights and outlines on there, especially on the wheels. The red chrome around there. But there we go. Okay, so those ones. And then I also have another, there's a blue one, and a black one. And these ones are just other extras that I've opened up as part of the mainline variations for the Chiron. So some blue and black ones there. So maybe we can put those ones up here right now as well. There we go. We'll split them kind of apart just like that. All right, let's go over all the new ones that I have for you guys as well. And we are back with some highly complicated trick photography. You can see the Bugattis are now lower. I'm just kidding. It's not really that complicated. I just moved them. But all right, let's go ahead and talk about all the new inbox ones that I have. So a couple of the newer Chirons. We'll start at the Chirons this time. So there we go. We got two of the blue Chirons. You can see this one's a little bit damaged, so I might actually open that one. But we got two of the Chirons in blue. We got two more of the Chirons right here in blue as well, and these ones I've got in the Protecto packs. I don't know why, these are like the first ones that I got that were new that I decided to protect, so I'll probably keep those ones in there as well. And then we've got two of the black ones, the newer black ones. I just got these ones in my recent e-case, so I'll probably keep those ones as well, collect those ones. And let's go on to the Veyrons. All right, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, you can't see that one, 4, 5, 6, and 7 of the black and red Bugatti Veyrons, and I've got the one that's open right there, you can see behind it. But these ones I have all in Protectos, and I personally bought these ones all from the stores way back when they were originally released, and I've kept onto them right now. I'm not a scalper or anything. I don't plan on selling them. I just kept them to collect because it's one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings of all time. So I will be hanging on to all of those ones. And in case you guys want to know, I know I'm going to get a lot of people asking in the comments down below, can you give me a Bugatti? Can you give me, I'm sorry. I'm not giving any of them away. They're all mine to collect. All right, let's move on to the next Veyrons. We've got the silver one with the 10-spoke wheels. This one also in Protecto, and there is the silver one. So that's the same one that I got right there. So I've got one open, one closed. And obviously you guys know that the ones that I have open I use for racing and stuff. And the ones that I have closed I collect. So there we go. So there's the silver one. We've got the yellow Mystery Machines one, or mystery one. And you can see I've got the little mystery pack that it's in, and I've got that in a Protecto, and then I've got the Bugatti just out there on the top, so you can see where it originally came in. And then we've got the white one as well, the white one with the mystery package that it came in as well, and I think this was 2007 or so, roughly somewhere around there. So there we go. Awesome, like that one. And next one, we got the Satin Blue one, brand new in the Protecto pack as well. And that's just another one that I have to collect. And you can see I've got two of them that are open right there. So we use those ones for racing. And what else do we have? This is probably the most valuable one that I have as far as new in package. This is the Speed Machines variation, the white Speed Machines variation. I love this line. If you guys have any of these Speed Machines, then you guys know how awesome they are. It's unfortunate they canceled them early because they were not selling at the time, but now they're becoming the most collectible ones for Hot Wheels. But I love this line, the Speed Machines. I really hope they bring it back, and that's the same one that I have right here. So we got one of them opened and one of them new in package. So leave that one new in package there. And last but definitely not least, probably the one that I don't know much about, but it is the most collectible, is this collector's guide pack that has the red and black one included in there. And it says like 35th anniversary, 2009, exclusive decorated vehicle. But yeah, I found this one on eBay. I think I paid at the time probably about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe like $30 for it, but I've never seen another one before. Actually, I haven't really looked on eBay, but I haven't seen anyone locally. And there you go, some information on the back. But crazy. So that's pretty collectible. I'm never gonna open that one up. We'll keep the Bugatti one in there, and it's got these other ones in here. It looks like I don't know what that is, maybe a Thunderbolts and some sort of fantasy car. But we'll keep those ones in there as well. But yeah, those are all the Bugattis, guys. So I've got, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I got around 32-ish or so Bugattis total in my collection right now, and forever growing. I hope to get some new Zamax in package so I can collect those ones. That's what I'm really looking forward to finding in store. But other than that, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up if you like Bugattis as much as I do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.